Now, the Lancashire was an absolutely fantastic show. 350 birds were entered, about 330 were in place. So it was a great show, some really good competition, some huge classes. One of the classes of greenfinch hens was 20 to 23 birds, so a very competitive class indeed. Now, the bird that actually took first in that class, in the champion class that is, did actually go on to win about 5 or 6 specials, so it was an absolutely outstanding greenfinch hen. Well done to whoever exhibited that, and I did very well as well. Now, many of you know that I'm a novice. I compete as a novice, and I'm in my 4th year, I believe, as a novice now. I've entered about 20 odd birds across the British Hardbill and the Mill and Hybrid classes, and I did rather well myself. So this is the bird which I entered, which took Best Novice Exhibit and Best Novice Hardbill. So that was a flighted European greenfinch cock. He was bred here last year, and we bred some young birds off in this past season. So that was great. He's also done quite a bit of winning on the show bench for me as a current year bird over the last winter. So it's great to see that he's once again taking these specials, doing well in his classes. And it really does show that my stud of greenfinches is to a half degree, I guess, of a competitive standard, and may compete with the champions when I do go up in about 2 years or so. And I did have some real good compliments from the judges as well, and a number of people at the show saying that the bird was very good, and it could have actually competed in the champion classes. It was similar sort of caliber, which is absolutely fantastic. I was over the moon with those comments, and it just makes me really proud that I've managed to do something well there, that we've bred a good bird, and we're going to hopefully continue to breed some nice birds like that now that we've got his line built up in the stud. So really looking forward to seeing how we get on with him. Next up is the North East British Bird and the British Bird Mule and Hybrid Club, I believe, which is up at Durham, which will be next Saturday's video. Now you can see here that we've got some new OC Avery merch. So we've got a embroidered OC Avery patch bullfinch logo on a hoodie, and we've also got t-shirts and polos. So if you are interested in some merchandise that you would like to obviously buy, then make sure to drop us a message on Instagram, Facebook, or drop us an email, and I'll let you know availability, prices, and more information on these. And don't forget to enter our giveaway. We've got a £50 direct bird products voucher in celebration of reaching 10,000 subscribers, and the winner will be announced in the monthly live at the start of December. So make sure to enter that. The link is in the description to this video as well. So if you are new around here and you would like to see more from OC Avery, make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any more future content. And if you have enjoyed today's video as well, smash a like on it. It will be very much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.